Hey everybody, I'm Barrett and you're watching Painting Sasquatch. It is the first painting of the year for 2023. I'm really excited to show you the time lapse that we did of it. This is going to be a big year for me. I got a show set up in Marion, North Carolina for the Marion Bigfoot Festival in May, and we're going to see how it goes. I got prints going. I can print on canvas and paper, posters, high quality art prints. I'm trying to expand and see what I can do, stickers and whatnot. So if you have anything that you'd like to see, give me in the comments. You can contact me, and maybe I'll get you a print or some stickers made or anything that you might have in mind if you like my art. So hopefully this year is going to be big. I've been doing the Sasquatch thing for about a year now. I've only been painting, seriously for a couple of years, and I've been an artist my whole life, but I just started the painting thing. I never kind of graduated to that until I needed some Christmas presents one year, and it just kind of happened where I got some canvases. Well, I'm gonna try this painting thing, and man, it's really been great. Everything's kind of in development, and I'm really digging it. Got an Etsy page going called Painting _ Sasquatch. I'm on the gram as Painting Sasquatch, so check it out. Let's get to the video. I hope you enjoy the time lapse. It's about 10 hours worth of film, condensed into as short as I can get it without, cutting out too much. But hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the other side of the vitreo. Here we go. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed painting it. It took about 10 days to do this one, you know, doing 3 or 4 hours a day maybe. I'm still learning these techniques of how to do like landscapes. It's not really my strong point, but I'm getting a little bit better at it. If you want, you can check me out on the Instagram as Painting Sasquatch, and the Etsy page is painting_Sasquatch. I'll have some stuff on there actually pretty soon, because I actually can print now, and I'm glad to be saying that. So as soon as I can physically order some stuff and get it back, we will be good. And like it if you like it, subscribe it if you like it. I really appreciate you watching. If you watched this far, bless your hearts. And yeah, I'll keep it squatchy. We'll see you again soon here on Painting Sasquatch. Alright, peace.